Governor of Sindh, Mohammad Zubair, while visiting Karachi Chamber of Commerce and Industries, has said that calling back rangers from the metropolis would be a bad move. He assured the chamber members that their concerns were being communicated to the federal government, pointing out that presently provinces were getting double the amount that they used to get previously. Governor emphasized that it should be used to ameliorate the state of health, education, housing and infrastructure. Governor speaking on the occasion mostly focused on the importance of rangers' presence here. Criticizing the former era, he said that publications like Wall Street Journal and rating agencies like Moody were giving positive reports vis-à-vis the economic conditions in the present regime.